Hi guys, today we are going to see the demo of VlogMate One. We will see its setup, connection and the audio quality testing and what functions it has. So let's unbox. So this has got a manual. There is a USB adapter port and the other side is C-type. C-type is going to connect to the casing like this, and the other side will go to the adapter or the laptop, whichever device you are going to use to charge this casing. So this casing has got its own battery, and let's see what's inside the box. So it's a receiver and these are the two transmitters. So it's very simple to connect. Each of them has got LEDs. These LEDs are currently off. So if I connect this LED turns on. It is blinking, means it is looking for the device to pair. So these devices are not paired because these are inside the case. Once I take it out, it will start to pair. And currently whatever audio you are getting it without any of the mic. It is directly from the other phone which I am using to record. So let's take this out, and this is turned green, right? So that means it is paired. If I take the other one out, this also turns green. And you notice there are pins here. So these pins are used to charge these mics or the transmitters, which has ports. So when you're placing it, make sure you're placing it safely and accurately so that it doesn't damage the pin. So once it goes to the case correctly, the LED will be off. Yeah, now it's off. So this happens sometimes. I don't know, it is bug or it is because of the adjustment, but if I change it, most of the time it takes it correctly. And let's see, in this casing also there is a LED indicator. So when you are charging it, you will see that it will be either green or red depending on the amount of battery it has. So the receiver also has its own battery, and the casing also has its own battery. We can even charge the receiver directly using the cable or by putting it in this case. So I'm going to connect this particular receiver now to the phone using which I am recording this video, and then I'm going to use one of these mic, and you will see the audio quality difference from direct phone audio and to these mics. And in my room, fan is running, there are some noise from the surrounding, there are some work going on inside the house related to daily household work. So you can make out if there is any difference in the audio or not. Okay, so as you can see, I have taken out the receiver and now it is placed to the phone which I am using to record. I am going to take out the mic, and now the mic is not syncing because the adapter that I have connected is not properly connected. Let me push it a bit more, and now they both are green. So whatever sound that you will get, you will be getting from this particular mic. I'll press it once and it will turn from green to yellow. Green is normal mode with no noise cancellation. I pressed it once and now it is in yellow color, which means it is in AI noise cancellation mode, and this is the audio quality that you get. I'll press it once again and it will turn to blue. So now this is blue, and in this noise cancellation is active without AI mode, and this is the audio quality that you get. If I press it twice together, that is 2 tap, it will turn red, which means mic will go to the mute mode. To come out of the mute mode, we have to press this button 2 times again, and it will come back to the previous mode. And if I press it again, it will go back to the green mode, which means it is without any noise cancellation. Yeah, this is green mode without any noise cancellation. So these are the different type of options that you get, and this has clip. So if anybody want to put it on their shirt, t-shirt, yeah, they can use this. And this also has this magnet, so this magnet can go inside the shirt and you can place this from the top, right? So overall, I would say this is a decent microphone, and with this price we get 2 mics, which is not available with most of the microphone. Design wise also, it is sleek and it is very neat design, right? So if you have any queries and any question, you can write it down on the comments, and you can refer to the manual if you have any further questions, and you can clarify your doubts. If you like this video, if you need any other video for any of the product, you can note it down in the comment, and I will try to make those for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Like and subscribe. Take care.